Good afternoon. Today I'll be presenting on the 5 areas that I have expected to learn and have developed more of an understanding of in the subject operational improvement, but more importantly, how I can apply them more effectively. And they are identifying, analysing inefficiencies, understanding process improvement methodologies, continuous improvement to align with organisational goals and business strategy, leadership and change management including employee engagement, and leveraging technology and innovation. But firstly, identifying and analysing operational improvement opportunities. I expected to learn how to critically evaluate operational workflows to identify bottlenecks and inefficiencies, particularly in the areas that consume excessive time, labour or resources without delivering the desired level of efficiency or performance. It is very important to understand the reasons for change, which include regulation, market, customers and internal processes. Cane growers, the organisation I manage, we needed to look for operational improvement opportunities due to regulation. In cane growers' case, one of the most defining regulations of recent times is reef regulations, which was introduced by the Queensland government for sugarcane growers who needed to adopt more sustainable farming practices. Market, the end purchasers such as Coke were pledging to use 100% sustainable sugar only, and cane growers' internal processes, which were very cumbersome and inefficient. Cane growers needed to search for the bottlenecks such as the speed to complete the pre-audit of the BMP program, the sustainable program, the time and manual record keeping the growers undertook, the customers/members lack of uptake of the sustainable program due to their feedback, and finally to measure and track the quality of improvement over time. Whilst cane growers are in the process of still implementing the improvements, but continue to track the progress. The next is understanding of the process improvement methodologies. To be honest, this probably wasn't a strong area for myself, so new frameworks like Lean, Six Sigma, Total Quality Management to streamline operations and reduce waste were quite new to me. Other methodologies such as Agile, which is a fast and adaptive method that focuses on teamwork, quick feedback and ongoing improvement through short and repeatable cycles. Business process engineering, a strategy that redesigns workflows to boost efficiency, quality and overall performance. And Kaizen, which I'd never heard before, a Japanese word meaning continuous improvement through small, incremental changes involving all employees for greater efficiency and effectiveness. And there's Lean, which I previously mentioned, the management philosophy focused on eliminating waste, optimizing processes and maximizing customer value. But probably what was more suitable for the organisation I manage, cane growers, is Total Quality Management, abbreviated as TQM, an organisation-wide approach to improving quality, focusing on customer satisfaction, employee involvement and process optimization. We're currently using TQM for implementing a new payroll system for our members. The focus is on continuous improvement, customer satisfaction and employee involvement. Utilising the lessons from TQM, cane growers will engage staff and members early to gather input on needs and expectations, map the processes clearly and standardise procedures to minimise errors. Use data-driven decision making to monitor system performance and address issues promptly. This will be done by monitoring system performance by tracking the key metrics such as payroll accuracy rates, processing times, error frequencies and member satisfaction scores, which we will have displayed on dashboards. This will be done ensuring the service reliability, accuracy and responsiveness remain top priorities. The next area is operational improvement, aligning with our organisational goals and business. I hope to understand how we can have continuous improvement which ties to our broader business strategy and aligns our improvement initiatives with our organisational goals. Everything is to ensure that we're aiming to achieve doesn't lose sight of achieving the organisational vision and strategic objectives and avoiding wasting resources on scattered activities. When operations support the broader strategy, improvements deliver maximum value, enhance member/customer satisfaction, and strengthen the organisation's ability to adapt and grow. In Cane Grower's case, its goals are to assist in maximising member efficiency and profitability. This alignment with operational improvements can be achieved by enhancing member services, continually refining services such as the payroll service to directly improve grower efficiency and profitability, tying to the vision of a secure and profitable future, strengthening internal processes such as improving workflows, communication and decision-making processes to boost organisational effectiveness and support long-term industry efficiency, and investing in future-ready structures, using operational improvements to build a strong, adaptable foundation for future industry development, innovation and strategic planning. The next area which is really important and I have focused on heavily in this subject is leadership and change management, including employee engagement. I expected to learn these techniques and leadership skills necessary to initiate, manage and sustain operational improvement initiatives, to explore strategies for managing change effectively and getting buy-in from staff when implementing new processes. Leading the change positively is most important. The aim is to bring the staff on the journey, involve them in every aspect so we can have buy-in, including the reasons for change and the plan. The change is designed to make their job easier, not harder, and the change actually makes sense to those who are involved. Cane growers, in our instance, must ensure that there is adequate training and resources available, ensuring that there is effective communication between management, employees and other stakeholders such as our members using the payroll service. And hopefully this is on the way to total employee commitment, which TQM methodology requires for successful operational improvement. And the last area is leveraging technology and innovation. This is an area that has really opened my eyes, and I've had some realization that the sugar industry is still in transition from Industry 3.0, which is the computers and digital technology, to Industry 4.0, which needs to begin to move into the key components of 4.0. And those include Internet of Things, such as smart devices and sensors connected to the internet. In the sugar industry, such as this could be utilized in harvesters to measure yield losses or optimizing settings. Big data and analytics is another one, where real-time data analysis for informed decision making, where we can utilize GPS to collect performance data and even record inputs. And also artificial intelligence and machine learning, automation, predictive maintenance and process optimization. This can be used in predicting yields by analyzing weather, soil and satellite data for forecasting cane yield. And the last is autonomous robots and machinery. In the sugar industry, we have haul-outs and we're struggling for finding a workforce to fulfill the roles of haul-outs. And these haul-outs follow the harvester, which could easily become autonomous. In summary, the areas that I expected to learn and have learned have included identifying and improving efficiencies, where learnt to critically assess operations, uncover bottlenecks and apply structure improvement methods such as lean TQM to reduce waste and enhance performance. Also aligning improvements with strategy, emphasising the importance of linking operational changes with with our strategic goals improving services like payroll, internal process, and long-term sustainability. Leadership and change management, recognising the need for inclusive leadership, clear communication, and staff engagement to ensure successful implementation and sustainable change. And finally, leveraging Industry 4.0 technologies, identifying the opportunity for the sugar industry to transition from Industry 3.0 to 4.0 using the Internet of Things, AI, big data, and automation for smarter, data-driven farming and operations. Thank you.